In this video, we'll be telling you guys how you can block ads in your Android smartphone. As you can see, there are a lot of ads that is getting displayed inside this MX Player, and all these kind of ads will absolutely ruin your smartphone usage experience. Even when I am seeing any video, there will be ads displayed. There will be some stupid annoying ads that will be coming in the middle of our smartphone usage. Even in the Google Chrome web browser, if I open any website and start reading some news and some articles, the ads will be displayed there also. Sometimes the ads will be so large in size that it will become a pop-up or it will become an overlay on the whole screen and ruin the smartphone browsing or usage experience. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how you can block ads in the MIUI, and this trick will work for all the different devices, not just for Xiaomi. In Xiaomi especially, the ads are displayed on the default applications also, like the calendar, the file manager, the settings application, the Mi Video, Mi Music, etc. As you can see in the Mi Video, there is an ad in the Mi Video application which will ruin our usage experience. Now I'll show how you can block the ads in all the applications of MIUI. Just go to File Manager, from the three dots menu, go to the settings, and in the About section, there is a recommendation. Just switch off the recommendation. Then open the Mi Video application. In the settings, just turn on the online recommendation. In the Mi Music application, in the settings screen or the three dots menu, go to the settings, and in the settings menu, you have to go to the advanced settings. In the advanced settings, just scroll down and just turn off that receive recommendation. By these, you can reduce the ads. This is step 1. In the step 2, just open Google Chrome web browser and type block ADA and open the first link in the search results page. Block ADA is a free ad blocker application built for Android, and they claim that it is the best ad blocker application for Android. Just open the first link. Once that is opened, this is the home page of that website, and there are a few important things about that. They mention that they are the best ad blocker for Android. A few features about the app has been mentioned. The important thing is it does not require root, and this thing works both on Wi-Fi and the mobile networks. And just scroll to the top of the page, and in the menu we have to download this block ad application. Once you click on the download button, the application will be downloaded on your smartphone. Once the application is downloaded, make sure you install the application on your smartphone. This method works for all the smartphones running on Android. Once that is done, we have to open the Blockada. This is the home screen of the Blockada application. This is how the interface looks like. Just switch that on and the ad blocker will be switched on. There are a few different options that you can check out, like the blacklist, whitelist. You can turn off the notifications if you don't want to get notified whenever a new ad is blocked. If you want to blacklist some application where ads should not be blocked for you, and just make sure you turn on them in the blacklist. And once that is done, you make sure the application is locked in the background. In the MIUI, you can do by this method. In different phones, this method will be different. Just lock that application in the background, and now let's check whether the ads are blocked successfully or not. Let's go to MX Player, and as you can see in the MX Player, the ads that were coming on the top of the screen and the ads that were coming in the pop-ups or the overlays have been successfully blocked. So the ad blocker is working successfully. Next, let's go to the website and open the website and check whether the ads have been blocked in the website. Previously, ads, we can remember there were a lot of ads here, and now the advertisements have been blocked in this section of the browser page. As you can see, there is no ads in this website. Let's check out some other news, and yeah, there is no ads in this article as well. The ads have been blocked. Let's go to Mi Video. In the video, the ads has been blocked here as well. Let's go to Mi Music, and the ads have been blocked here also. the ads will be blocked in all the applications. Let's check the Google News applications. We get to see a lot of ads in this as well. And let's open an article from XDA. And as you can see, in that ad section, there is an empty white box. That means there are no ads in this article. All the ads that was supposed to be displayed here has been successfully blocked. So this method works both on Xiaomi devices and other Android phones as well. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching guys, and this method works for devices on Android platform. All Android devices can use the links in the description to download that Blockad application and make sure you have a complete ad-free browsing and smartphone usage experience. Thank you.